sorry, officer, I can't hear you. Are you talking to me?
I am talking to you.
What can I help you with?
Are you Mr. Greenwood?
What can I help you with?
Well, I was informed that our chief told you you can't be hanging these signs up.
I had the whole entire conversation with the chief recorded, which I can play back for you. And he told me that it's a preference of his. I told him that this was the freedom of speech, which he agreed to.
Right.
And he said, well, you can't arrest me and you can't do anything, but he could want to tear him down.
Okay, it's actually a city ordinance that you can be cited for.
That's not what he said.
Okay, but
he said.
But it is. Okay.
He told me that it wasn't.
Okay, so I'm going to have you hang out here with my partner because I'm going to issue you a citation. Okay.
No, I'm not accepting any citation. Okay, this is the freedom of speech.
You don't have to accept it, but I'm going to issue you one.
Well, that's just not going to happen.
Here.
So, you can have a good afternoon. I'm going to keep doing this.
Mr. Greenwood, you got to stay here.
No,
okay?
There's no law that compels me. This is the freedom of speech, and I'm operating under the religion. You're not going to let me finish.
Okay, no, because I just told you what's going to happen. Right now, you're being detained.
But you're
until I get your citation done.
Okay. Under what crime am I being detained for?
Okay. Hey, you're going to hang out with me while he writes
I'm sorry. What crime am I being detained for?
I'm telling you, you're
what
getting
crime?
issued
Cite
a
the ordinance.
citation for the
cite
city
the ordinance.
Okay.
If you cite the ordinance,
I will have it all on the paper.
Then you can't detain me.
Yes, I can.
No, you can't. I'm performing the religious duties of our church. I'm exercising those religious duties.
Guess what? You can do that, but you're also going to be cited for it.
You cannot cite any law in which you're detaining me. You can't even cite the law
We're
in which
getting
you're
it right
detaining
now,
me.
and we will.
Your police chief literally sat there and stood by and did not arrest me and did not tell me I was detained for any reason. All right, then you're not detaining. If you're not arresting me,
actually, I am.
No, if you don't have a law to detain me, you just admitted that. I am recording everything that you're saying.
I'm glad you are.
You can't even tell me.
So until that citation,
I'm not accepting your citation.
Well, I'm going to fill it out and explain it to you.
The citation that you can't even quote? Okay. I'm performing my religious duties. If you have a crime if you have a crime, if you have a legitimate crime, you can't even cite a law.
Okay, Mr. Greenwood.
If you put hands on me, you got an issue.
I am telling you, you're being cited. So you can either accept it.
I'm not accepting it.
I don't care if you throw it away after I give it to you, but you're going to get it. Okay?
Wait. We're going to do this. No, this is freedom of speech. This is public property, and I have the freedom of speech to do this. There's been plenty of court precedent here, regardless of what you're saying. I have an officer of the law here who can't even cite the law, who's telling me I'm detained for a crime. They can't even speak of what's even on the books and say that if I walk away, they're going to arrest me, but I have the Lord telling me I'm supposed to walk away, and I'm sitting here recording the whole thing. What am I good to do?
You're going to wait until this is done.
They can't even cite the law, and they're telling me that, you have to tell me what you're detaining me for. If you can't, then that's the law.
I just did.
No, you didn't.
Yes.
No, you didn't.
I'm telling you you're done until we're done with your citation.
You're telling me that you're done. That's two people talking to each other. I'm telling you I'm not done, and I'm going to keep talking.
I am in charge here. You are not.
Okay.
So I will place you in handcuffs.
Are you assaulting me?
I will place you in handcuffs if you try to walk away from me.
For what crime?
Are you going to stay?
Are you going to assault me?
Come over here to my car.
Come
over here.
I don't feel safe anywhere near your car. No. You can't cite a law. You're telling me I'm detained without just cause. You can't even cite the law. I'm telling you I have a recorded conversation with the chief of police that literally walked away from me yesterday. That's case precedence that I would bring into any...
Hey, guess what? I'll give him a call right now. And
you can't. I got the whole thing recorded. We could play it back.
Okay.
We could play the whole thing back. I got, just like I've got you recorded. No, this is freedom of speech. I could put these on here, just like anybody else can if they have a lost dog or cat, and you don't cite anybody for that. I'm going to do this because that's my constitutional right. Now, either the Constitution means something or it doesn't. And if it doesn't, then we can all quit playing pretend right now, and that would make my life a whole lot easier.
Did you call?
The ordinance is called illegal bill posting, okay?
That's not a bill post. That is a church flyer.
It meets the criteria.
No, that's not. What is a bill post?
Hey, are you gonna
what is a bill post?
Okay. I'm trying to explain something here to you.
What's a bill post?
You asked for an explanation. I'm trying to explain something to you. a city ordinance.
An illegal bill post? That doesn't even make sense.
Okay, well that's what it is. So
That doesn't
officer-
explain to me anything.
Well, it is.
That's public property. Anyone has the right to do that, just like there are dog flyers over there.
Okay, I'll finish it while you.
I got it all.
Did you want to call?
You can call up the whole entire backup. It's not going to matter. It's a constitutional violation of my rights. You told me you're detaining me. You can't even name the crime I've committed. You're talking about a city ordinance. That's not a crime. That's a ticket. That's not a crime.
Exactly. Okay, so listen, Mr.
That's
Green.
not a crime.
So listen.
It's a ticket.
Listen. So you can either wait until we get the ticket completed, or I'll take you to jail on obstructing.
Obstructing what?
Obstructing
You
my
couldn't even
investigation.
name me the violation that you
I
wanted
just
to me
did.
about.
Okay.
You
We're
did that
done.
after the fact.
Yeah.
Thank you. We're getting it finished, and then you may be on your way.
Obstruction for justice, be my guest. I will lawyer up. I will sue
That's your
you
right.
for every dollar you guys have. You want to play games with the Constitution? Either this thing works or it doesn't. And if it doesn't, then
Okay,
ma'am,
I'm
my
telling
job and the people's job that are in this valley get a lot simpler.
I'm done talking. I'm saying you can either
Yeah,
wait
you're
here.
done talking?
You can either wait till you get your citation, or you'll be arrested for
I'm not
obstructing.
going to accept a single citation from
Okay, well,
you.
you're going to wait until it's completed and read to you.
You can write a piece of paper, throw it in the trash. You can do what you
You
feel.
can do what you want with it. Those are your two options.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm here. Oh no, they want to say that if I walk away, I'm obstructing justice. So do I just go ahead and walk away? Because you know what kind of incident will happen if they ever attempt to arrest me. I mean, it's put on the record for these people. In fact, it's on the record that if they ever gave me even so much as a parking ticket, Yahweh said that there would be a nuclear incident in this country. And so they obviously didn't take that serious. They're about to find out later this afternoon. Yeah, it's one of those kind of situations. That's why I tried to tell you guys. That's why I tried to inform you people. Hey, didn't anybody give you a record of who I was before I came down here? They didn't show you my file? They didn't do that? They didn't do that? Oh, no. She says she wants to arrest me for obstruction of justice because she couldn't quote a law.
You guys aren't a part of this.
No,
So
that's my wife. This is a church matter. This is a
That's
church
fine,
matter.
but
This is the
I'm
religious
talking to
freedom. You're trying to take
Okay.
away.
What crime
So-
has he committed?
You can stand back
What
and
crime
wait.
has he committed?
You
What
can
crime?
stand back
They
and
can't
wait,
even quote me.
or
They
you'll
said
be
that it's a.
you'll be
It
arrested.
didn't even make
for
sense. It's
obstructing
a bill.
Arrested for obstructing
Yes.
justice. I'm asking
I'm
you
not
what
saying
crime. You have to, by legally, you have to tell him what crime he's committed.
By law,
we've
you
already
cannot
have.
detain me
What
unless
was
you
that
have
law?
a crime that I've committed.
What law
Unless
was
I'm
that?
being suspected of committing a crime. That's what the United States Supreme Court says. If you don't have that, then you're violating the law. So, if you want to put me in handcuffs because I'm going to walk away from you because you
I
don't
already
agree
told
with
you.
me,
I already
then
told you.
what
You can
you're-
either accept your
what's that?
citation.
Okay.
You can either accept your citation,
I'm not
or
gonna
you'll
accept
be
any.
arrested.
A
Okay.
citation for what? What crime has he
Now you're
committed?
telling me I have to accept what you say or I'm going to get arrested? Now you're telling me that if I don't accept your citation for freedom of speech, I'm going to get arrested?
You can
Oh, that
explain
word?
that to
What
the
law
judge.
says you can do that again? Quote me that law. Officer, you're an officer of the law. You're here to enforce the law. What law says you can do that?
What crime has he committed? You have to legally
Because
know.
you don't like
Ma'am,
a church.
I'm not talking to you.
Oh
So
no,
you
we're
can either
having a
walk off-
discussion.
No, we're not.
You
we're done
decided
having
you
a
want
discussion.
a discussion with me.
Absolutely can speak. Or so we're told.
A $10 fee?
For what? Well, this
You do that. All right, Mr. Greenwood, you have city court with Judge McCarty, 910 South.
Oh, you got city court. I don't got nothing.
Okay.
There ain't no one
910
touching
West
that.
Main.
You might as well toss that right in the trash.
what crime was committed?
16th of February at 10 a.m. Either be there or call the courts before that date and time. Again, it's illegal bill posting, city
Well,
ordinance.
that's nice.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna.
No,
give
you're
it
not
to
going to
you.
do anything.
Okay.
I'm not going to
Well,
accept that.
That is for you.
Well, I'm sorry. You
can do
tossed
what you
a
want
piece
with
of
it.
paper on the ground.
That's your notice.
Oh. So what you're saying? It's a $10 fine? Oh my gosh. Hey, wait a minute. If you're this $10, I could do this all day.
Okay, further post will result in this idea.
Oh, well, that's good to know. Well, make sure you get those pieces of paper out then. Here we go.
They're literally trying to tell him that he can't put these flyers up, but I guess free speech is no longer allowed in this country.
And this is a church matter.
Yep.
In regard to our church, which is also protected by
You should have.
the separation of church and state, but they're trying to
Oh.
fine my father over here for just putting up a flyer. I'm not trying to do anything wrong. You have time.
Wait.